1998, the year I set my sight on a future shining beneath the northern light. Landed at Vancouver, the baggage claim was slow. 10 crumpled dollars was all I had to show. Grabbed a quick bite, a taste I can't forget. A cold bagel sandwich full of deep regret. Nasty and damp, a sign of what's ahead, but fueled by hunger and the words I hadn't said. The flight to Calgary, November's chilly air, a crisp white stillness, a world beyond compare. Stepped into that house, so clean and white and new. The biting prairie wind blew right straight through. But I was hungry, not just for heat, but for a start. Got a job in 2 days, with fire in my heart, a glass print factory, where I made a royal mess. Thought, do they pay me for this? Pure ridiculousness. So the Canadian dream, it ain't always what it seems. It's the work on the cold concrete, chasing northern beams. From $10 in my pocket to a life I built right here, shaking off the frost, conquering the fear. Now the income's unsteady, chasing crypto fly-by-nights, but the air is still clean and the future's burning bright. Yeah, the mortgage is paid off, the struggle's left behind. Look at this good life, the peace that I have found. 25 years later, the season spun around, planting roots in this unfamiliar ground. Semi-retired now, the hustle starts to fade. A little bit of risks, I bet I've bravely made. The factory's a memory, the messy prints are gone. Trading time for freedom, waiting for the dawn. Oh, the Canadian dream, it ain't always what it seems. It's the work on the cold concrete, chasing northern beams. From $10 in my pocket to a life I built right here, shaking off the frost, conquering the fear. Now the income's unsteady, chasing crypto fly-by-nights, but the air is still clean and the future's burning bright. Yeah, the mortgage is paid off, the struggle's left behind. Look at this good life, the peace that I have found. From a cold bagel in Vancouver to a warm house in the West, I took the chance, I put the country to the test. Life is good, yeah, life is truly good. That's the Canadian dream I understood.